I'm going to get my bike serviced. It's time to go back to Bangalore and I have to get my bike serviced and it has to be perfectly fine. Hi! Hi, chale. Okay. I don't know how much they'll charge for the bike here. I don't know how good they'll do it also. But hopefully they do it fine. Because I have to go back very smoothly and my bike has supported me a lot. I hope it supports me further till I reach home. I guess that's all. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck and I wish myself also luck. So bye. Here to find Moto engine oil. I've heard this is the only shop where we find it, so let's hope he has. Let me just ask him. I hope he has it. Sir, Moto no chain oil engine oil hase? 1.5 लीटर એટલે 2 लीटर હશે તો વાંધો ને 2 लीटर આપજો એક એકનો 1.5 છે હા આપણે 10W50 આપજો. At Amin Bajaj service center. The technician said he wants to check my bike to find any hidden issues. I hope he didn't find any. And yes, this facility looks very good. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening and I've come to the service center as early as possible to get my bike. Everything is done, so I'm just leaving right now. And also I came with my uncle here. Yes, he dropped me. So he'll be going for his work and I'll go home now. I hope the bike has no issues at all because I want to reach Bangalore very safe and without any issues. Also, I have to start packing as well. I have a lot of stuff to pack, the saddle bag and stuff. I also have to start my work, going back home. I've just taken a 30-minute break. It's a beautiful evening here in Ahmedabad and such a lovely sunset here. I'm definitely going to miss this place. This is the Nehru Bridge. I've been crossing this bridge almost every single day whenever I have to go to the city side. Also, and yes, that you see ahead, that's the Patang Hotel, which I believe it's under renovation and it's not under operations. I don't think when it'll be coming into operations again. But yeah, what I was saying is, I'm going to miss this city. It's a lovely place here. The people are amazing. It's a happening place and it's also a very happy place. Traffic that you see here is the only traffic that I face almost every day. So it's not a problem here. Traffic is definitely not. Oh shit. Oh, I had to take a right from here. I got distracted talking to you guys. I had to take a right from here. I'm stuck. Oops, sorry. But at least people don't fight here. And by the way, yes, this is going to be the last video before I start my ride back to Bangalore. I know there was nothing much in this video apart from me taking my bike to the service center, but this is for the first time that I've been talking with my heart on the camera, so it's a good experience for me. And like I said earlier, I'm still learning to make videos, so please forgive me if there are a few things which are not as good as they should be, but I'm sure I'm learning.
Thank you so much.
This wonderful gentleman asked why didn't I put a sticker of my YouTube channel name on my bike. So he's asking the name of my channel. He said he'll support me, so I hope he's watching, and I really want to thank him. Also, so guys, this is it for the video today. I have to start packing and I have to fix the saddlebags to my bike and all this stuff. So yes, I'll be showing that in the next video if possible. I'm sure I know this video wasn't that great, but please stay because next video is going to be amazing. I'll be riding back home, so please stay and please keep supporting. Thank you so much for staying here, and yes, you're going to love the next video. Bye.